Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christy and Yes We Can and Demi. She likes her treats. We're going to learn The Door by Rick Dominguez, music The Door by Teddy Swims. So here we go, 32 count, tags, no restarts, and 32 count introduction. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting with your right foot, we do a modified V. We go out, out, and then we don't do the back part of the V. Rather, we do a coaster step and then a rocking chair. Rocking chair, moving on, rock and a half triple step, turn and a quarter hip roll and a quarter hip roll and a rock, recover and a weave and a side, hold together, side, tap, rock, recover, sailor step, weave, and turn. Yes, two walls. Fun. Here we go. First 8. We're going to break it down now. First 8, starting with the right foot. Out, out, like the top part of a V, but we're not doing the bottom part. So out, out, right coaster step. Back, back, forward. Yes. Left, rocking chair. Yes, that's the first 8. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. 8. We're going to do a rock recover with our left foot and a half turning triple step over our left shoulder. So rock, recover the left foot, turn over your left shoulder doing a triple step half turn. Triple step. So I'm moving towards 6 o'clock. Perfect. Yes. And then we're going to keep turning over our left shoulder. So we're going to do 2 quarter hip roll or paddle type turns. So it's hip roll to 3 o'clock, hip roll back to 12. Yes. With counts, left foot, rock, recover, left triple step, and a hip roll, and a hip roll. Good. Let's put those first 2 together. 16 counts. From the top, starting with your right foot. Out, out, coaster step, rocking chair, and a rock. Recover, triple step, and a hip roll, and a hip roll. Yes. Okay. Third set of 8. We're going to rock, recover to the right, and weave. So rock, recover, right foot, right behind, side, front. One more time. First part of the third 8 is a rock, recover, and a weave. Yes. Then we step to the left with our left foot, step, hold together, and tap the right foot behind. So it looks like this. The third 8, a rock, recover, right, weave to the left, left, hold together, and tap. Yes, and the counts are, third 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6 together, 7, tap 8. One more time with counts, because there's a hold count on that, and some syncopation. With counts, third 8, starting with our right foot, rock, recover, and a weave, and a side hold, and together, and tap. One more thing on the side hold, together, and tap, Rick Dominguez suggests a body roll. Okay, so it's going to look more like this. Third 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6 together, 7, and 8. Not real great at body rolls. Okay. So that's the third 8. We're here, we just did our tap. We're still facing 12 o'clock, and it's just a 2-wall dance. So we are going to get to the 6 o'clock wall. So with our right foot, we're going to do a rock, recover, and a sailor step with the right foot. sailor step. Left foot's free, weight's on right to do a weave to the right, behind side cross, and you're perfectly set up for the next counts, which is a half turn over your right shoulder. Just leave your feet there. After you cross, leave them there and turn. But keep your weight on your left because you're going to start over with your right foot. So the last 8, we just did our tap. We're going to do rock, recover, right, sailor, behind, side, side, weave, behind, side, cross, leave them there and turn. Keep your weight on your left. Here we go, with counts, the last 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8. And you're ready to start over. 3 and 4, section 3 and 4. Here we go. Rock, recover, and a weave, and a side holder, and with a body roll, and together, tap. Rock, recover, and a sailor step, and a weave, and a turn. All weights on left. From the top. 5, 6, with 7, 8. Out, out, coaster step, rocking chair, left foot, rock, recover, half triple step. Hip roll and a hip roll, and a rock, recover, and a weave, and a side hold, and together, and tap, rock, recover, and a sailor step, and a weave, and a turn. With counts. Here we go. From the top. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, hold, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, 8. Then we do it again. Thank you for joining me. No tags, no restarts. Watch the demo. Come back, subscribe. Bye.